And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over Libero Financial. This is an auto compounding token that was just released 1 month ago, and it's seen a lot of success. There's a lot going on the website, so I'll just do a brief overview of how Libero Financial works and also show you a step-by-step tutorial how to buy the token to earn those awesome passive rewards. They have a huge marketing budget and they're spending a lot of money in advertising. So let's go over Libero Financial. Let's go over the website, the basics, how to get involved, and get familiar with the application. At the top you have the documentation. There's a lot of information there. You also have Telegram, promotion, Libero Bank. We'll go over these in just a moment. And this is their landing page, the best auto staking plus DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming protocol. World's highest fixed APY of 158,000%. It's automatic. It's every 30 minutes, 48 times daily. And there's burning 2 to 4% supply every week. Rug proof, no minting, to wallet, audited by Thorium and rug-free coins, audited by Certic. So they spent a lot of money in all these audits. They're spending money in marketing, and it looks like they're just reinvesting the success of the project and just building it to the masses. Libero Bank earned BUSD from 7% transaction volume and participate in Libero governance. We'll go over Libero Bank as well. You can stake your Libero tokens, which is auto compounding, and stake it in the bank and earn extra rewards. And you're earning rewards on the transaction fees. Here, they also do airdrops. The next airdrop is in 13 days, 100,000 BUSD, round number 2 for Libero Bank stakers airdrop countdown. So for those of you who stake in the bank, these are the rewards you'll be getting in 13 days. If we continue to go lower, you buy it on Thorium, you buy it on Bogged, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and here are the charts on KuCoin and DexTool. Here, if you buy on these two, it's auto slippage. I'm not sure which way is actually better. And here on Pancake is 15% buy fee and 18% slippage. So I'm gonna actually just buy it on Thorium and see how that goes. I'm gonna invest 1 BNB into this position. This is part of the Binance network, and you need BNB for gas fees and BNB to buy the token. If we scroll down, here's the contract address, so you could add it into your wallet. I'll show you how to do that right before we get started. And they have a video. They did do some advertisement in Times Square. So this video shows their advertising, and they are obviously worldwide. It's crypto. There's a lot of things going on here, a lot of different channels promoting Libero, and this is why it's creating so much traction. And it talks about the APY here, and they have a plan here in which they guide new investors a potential route you can go in investing. 3-step to financial freedom. And they give you 3 steps here, how to be financially free. You buy the token, hold for 14 days. They give you a timeline, and it tells you how much it auto compounds, and then it tells you from day 15 you begin cashing out based on the APY, and then from here is a chart from day 1 to 14. This is what you do. From day 15 to 37, this is what you do. From day 38 to 70, this is what you do. And it goes on and on with details. On day 100, with just 1% cash out of current holding every day, you already cashed out 183% initial capital, and your Libero holding still grown to 323% initial capital on day 100. Your return on investment is 406%. So I'll tell you my strategy. My strategy is I'm going to buy 1 BNB and I'm going to let it ride. It just launched 1 month ago, and it's already growing. It has a pretty big market cap. That's my strategy, but if you want some guidance, you can go with this plan. Let's keep on going down. Just telling you more about how it works. Staking rewards, Hyperburn. Here they have a visual representation. Thorium Exchange or PancakeSwap. Part of the buy and sell fees go to Libero Insurance Treasury. A portion goes to the Treasury, and then the rest goes to Libero here. and it goes to us here. Receive 2.02% per day interest in your wallet every 30 minutes, 48 times. We already went over that. Key elements of Libero auto staking protocol. They have a lot of information here, so it's just repeating some of the stuff we already went over. And you can find them in CoinMarketCap, DeFi Llama, CoinGecko. They're audited by Certic there, Free Coins. So a lot of publicity. Let's open the app now. Click here. Binance Smart Chain. Inject it. Let's open MetaMask here. Let's connect. And now I'm connected. Once you open the app, it gives you information here. $147 million market cap there. This project is pretty big. They've already burned 11% of their total supply, which is $19 million. All-time highs, 0.015. I think we're right around there right now. Oh, Libero price, 0.013. We're pretty close to all-time highs. Liquidity value, 14 million. So big difference there from the market cap. 24-hour volume, $2 million worth of Libero being traded in the last 24 hours. Very active. And this is why I'm getting involved. There's a lot of attention and there's huge expectations out of this project for the future. Here goes the next reward every 30 minutes. And those are just some stats there. Here they have a calculator to calculate your returns. I'm investing about $400. I'm not sure how many Libero that is. I think it's 40,000, 30,000. Yeah, something like this. I'm gonna buy somewhere around 30,000. So after that investment in 1 year, I should have $631,000 there on a $400 investment. That's not very likely, but I'm willing to take any gains. And with these kind of returns, I'm sure it'll be a few 100% returns on my investment. So you can come and play with the calculator if you would like. And here it has more information once again. Here are some tweets. It's jam-packed with a lot of information. Jam-packed. Here we already read this. Alrighty. So that is the homepage of the application. So this is the dashboard. We go to the account. I haven't bought any. We're gonna do that in just a moment. And I guess this is your personal information. If we go to the Libero Bank, here is where you can stake. If you lock your tokens there for 1 year, for 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, this is how much Libero you'll earn. And I believe this is percentage. So if you 1 Libero locked for 1 year equals 0.25 times Libero. So I'm assuming the amount of Libero times 25%. And so I believe that's how this works. And here is total Libero rewards. Just more data, more numbers. And here's my rewards, 0. I haven't started. I'm about to start right now. Claim Libero, claim BUSD. So maybe this is when you stake in the bank. This is where you claim, I'm assuming. And they have a referral program. And this is where you claim those earnings from your referrals. They have a huge marketing budget and they're compensating people to promote this. And they're layering on top of that by making promotions in major cities. And I forgot to point this out. Marketing and development treasury, they have $2 million there for marketing. Forgot to point this out when I was reading this last page. So I want to come back to it and show the marketing and development treasury. So this is why the token is doing so well. And here's the Libero insurance treasury and farming profit here. Huge numbers there. Libero Financial is becoming a monster. They also, if you click your DAO, they also have snapshot voting. So this is very familiar to me. I covered a lot of DAOs and invested in DAOs. So they do have a snapshot as well. These guys have it all. Staking. You basically don't have to do anything for staking. It auto stakes for you. And I think they have giveaways as well. I think I was reading here. Thorium multi-boost pool stake. Thorium earn double rewards Libero twice. So they also have the ability to invest in Thorium to earn extra Libero rewards. But let's go back. Now let's just do a purchase. So here in the app, I'm just gonna go here to the swap section. It takes me to Thorium. And I'm going to invest 1 BNB, and that's gonna give me about 30,500 Libero. So let's unlock that. Let's connect. Connect here. Let's swap. I'm trying to see if there's some sort of slippage here. Minimum receive. So it looks like they're taking a 5,000 Libero cut there. Ooh, that's huge. So I'm investing 1 BNB. I'm gonna see what my token is. Output is estimated. You will receive at least 25,000. That's a pretty big haircut there. And that's to support the project. So let's confirm the swap here. I invested 1 BNB, that's $400. So we'll see what I get afterwards. Insufficient Binance balance. Okay, there we go. That was weird. Okay, it just lagged. Okay, but it went through. Let me double check here. Okay, so it took my BNB. So now we have to add the Libero token into your wallet. If we go back to the Libero site and we go to the home page, we scroll down here and they have the contract right here. So this is how you add the token. I just copied it. I open my MetaMask. I'm here in my assets under the Binance Smart Chain network. Scroll down, go to import tokens. I'm gonna right click and paste here and add custom token. Import tokens. Perfect. I'm going to take a screenshot of this so that I could remember how many Liberos I have here. So now let's scroll up. Let's open the app. And let's see my dashboard. Let's see my account. So I took a huge haircut there. BNB was trading at 400, and after I bought that Libero token, it's at 340. That's about a 15% tax. So if I would have bought it at Pancake, it's said to add slippage around 18. So it looks like it is better just to go with Thorium. My estimated earnings there, daily earnings. Oh, that's awesome. It tells you how much you'll make, how much you're making a day based on what you have. So based on a $340 investment, I'm making $7 a day. That's pretty crazy. And here's the information. The next reward, my share of the market cap, the APY, my balance. They have a lot of good stats. These guys did their homework. This looks great. Next reward amount. All right. My ROI, 30-day rate, 83.285%. That's $282. I might add to this on a dip. If we take a look at the chart, let's take a look at the chart right now. This is all time of Libero. It was launched in the beginning of February 1st, and now it's April 18th, and it hit all-time highs back here on the 16th. Since then, it's sold off, but we're seeing traction once again, and they continue to push hard on the marketing. So that's where Libero Financial is at right now, 0.01298. That's where it stands, and that's how you get involved. So that was a brief overview. I will leave a link under the description of this video if you want to get involved to Libero Financial, and there it will take you to the swap and everywhere else you need to go. They make it very easy on their site, and it looks like Thorium is the way to go based on the information they provided on the site. So that's the way I would go about it. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below to receive more content like this, and check out my channel. I have a lot of time sensitive projects that have been recently released or will be released, and sometimes I do get lucky and get some whitelist for my Patreons on future pre-sale projects. So make sure to go check out my channel and subscribe. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.